Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 200 Smart, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup process of this phone. So when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the same screen you can see on my end, where you get to find your desired language. Now for me it already selected English, so that's what I'm going to stick with anyway. Now next we're going to click on Get Started, and you want to choose your region. I would recommend choosing anything that is in the European Union, as this might give you better consumer rights if this follows the same kind of laws. So yeah, choose anything this European Union, like this for instance, Poland, good enough. Next we have terms of use. We do get to agree to all of them. You can read by tapping on details what you're agreeing to. And then we can insert our SIM card, which is completely optional. Next we have also option to connect to mobile or to Wi-Fi. Again, this is optional, you can skip this. Now in my case I might not be able to because the way I have resetted this device, so I'll be actually forced into connecting to network. So that's what I'm going to do right now quickly. There we go. Now the reason I need to connect to it because I need to verify the previous screen lock or Google account, as I have resetted it without providing either one of those through recovery mode. So this is just a protection method for Android. So here we can copy apps and the data that we'll be using Google account. I'm not going to be doing that, so I'm going to select Don't Copy. And here's the verification process. On your end, you should not see this at all. If your device is new or even second-hand, if you see this, return it. You should not be seeing this. This is only as a verification method if the device was resetted not properly or without verification. So next is what you should be able to see, which is the sign in page. Now this is optional and you can skip this if you don't want to sign into Google, but it's Android, so you probably will sign in, as that's how you access Google Play Store and so on. For the sake of saving time, I am skipping this though. Next we have Google services like scanning, location scanning and sending user and diagnostic data. You can toggle all of those off. It's Google though, let's be honest, it's not like these will probably do anything by turning them off. Next we have choose your browser and search engine. So click next and then find whichever browser you want to use. I will say not every browser is here. So there are way more browsers for you to choose from. I'm going to stick with Firefox as this is one that I prefer over the default Chrome. And I highly recommend checking anything that isn't Chrome or Chromium based, which for instance Firefox is not. Next, you have select a search engine. Again, don't use Google. It's at this point such a meme and dog shit of a search engine that there's no point choosing it. It's not like you're gonna get the answers that you're searching for using it. You're just gonna get sponsored ads. That's primarily what you get in this search engine nowadays. And funny enough, Bing at this point seems to be a better search engine than Google is. But let's see, what do I want to use? Honestly, none of these really spark my fancy. I'm just going to select Brave in this case. Data and privacy. I'm just going to click on next. And then we have Honor ID. No, I don't want notifications. This is notifications from Honor. I don't care for that. And I don't care for Honor ID, as there is not really any benefit for you to using it. We're already running Android and we're going to be using Google most likely, so this just serves no purpose. So you want to click right here, no account or other login methods, and then you can select setup later and settings. Obviously it needs to hide the option to skip it, just like Apple does. And select no thanks. Next we can protect our device by adding fingerprint, face recognition, and PIN pattern or password. If you're planning to use fingerprint or face recognition, you will always be also required to select PIN pattern or password, as biometrics aren't always 100% reliable, and in the times they fail you, you would be able to use the PIN pattern password to unlock your phone. Or you just skip this and don't protect your phone at all, though I would not recommend doing so. That's also what I'll be doing though. Enhanced services, it's completely up to you. You can read what this is. I'm just gonna select no thanks, as I usually do. user experience improvement programs, location services, keep your software up to date. The automatic updates, basically, if you agree to it, obviously it's going to automatically update it, most likely overnight. If you don't want that, you can click right here, update manually, and select don't enable. Next, we have system navigation, gestures, or buttons. Choose whichever one you prefer. I like gestures, so that's what I'm going to stick with. And all I need to do is click on finish, which will take me to the home screen with the device fully set up. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on the Honor 200 Smart. Okay, so as a first method I'm going to show you how to transfer data from this device into Honor. The second thing will be how to restore from the Google one, and the third option is how to restore from the external storage drive. If you don't know how to create such a backups into the Google one or how to backup your data into the external storage, on our channel there's a video and when I'm showing you that options, so if you want you can look for it. So now simply we are doing the setup process. Select your language and click on get started, then select your region. In here accept that you have read and agreed to the above terms, connect into your Wi-Fi, click on next. Now we have getting your phone ready. Okay, copy apps and data, we want to click on next once more. If you don't have a cable that fits, because we need to connect both phones to each other, you can always click on no cable and click on copy without it. Now click on next. We can do it wirelessly using the Wi-Fi. Now on the second phone we need to open up the Google app, and then we need to click on next on this device. You might not see it because it's right in here. I don't know why it's with the white font. I don't know who was creating that, but now let's type set up my device. Click on next, and here also click next. Verify that the shapes are the same. Click on next, click on copy. Now verify using your fingerprint or password. Now it's going to copy our account. Okay. Now we need to wait a little bit, so let's be patient. I'll see you once this loading screen is finished. Alright, and now we can select what we want to copy. Simply select the things that you are interested in. In my case, I want everything, but I don't want the apps. You can see that it's going to take about 6 minutes to transfer. And yeah, this is how it's going to look like. It's 20.3 gigabytes. So select everything that you want, and then click on copy. Okay, now the process will start. Okay, and now we have the Google services. In here, simply scroll down and click on accept. Now select your default browser, click on next. In my case, it's gonna be the Google Chrome, and Google as my search engine. Click on set as default. And now we have access to the Google Assistant. I'm gonna click on that I agree. In here, click on that you agree or not. It's device commands. In here, I'm gonna click on skip. You can always set it up later in the settings, of course. Alright, copying your data, about 3 minutes left. So I'll see you once it's finished. Okay, now you can see that everything has been copied. So simply click on done. You can also see on our second device that the copying is done. Now once more we need to wait a little bit. Right, now we have data and privacy. In here, click on next. Click on allow. In here, if you have Honor ID, you can log in or create a password, but I'm gonna click on no account, and I'm gonna click maybe later. You can always set it up later in settings. Device protection, in here you can set the lock screen. I'm gonna skip it. You can always do it later in the settings. In here I'm gonna click on enable all services. Click on join or later, it's up to you. When it comes to the navigation system, I'm gonna select the keys. Click on finish. Click on retry. Okay, because the phone wants to allow the no. Click on no. And now we are ready to use our device. Also, don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet, because some of the apps are still being installed from the Play Store. You can see it right in here that are being installed. Alright, so that was the first method, and now I'm going to show you how to restore backup from the Google one. Alright, so now let's get back into the setup process, and now we want to click on next again. And now when we have possibility to use other device, we want to click that we can't use it. Now click on OK. Now we need to wait a little bit. And now we have option to connect into the Google account, and now we need to log in into the same Google account on which we made the backup earlier. It is crucial, so let me log in. Then click on next. Now enter your password. Okay, then click next. Oh, sorry, my bad, I typed wrong. Okay, then click on next. Click on next. Click on I agree. Alright, now we have getting account info. It's gonna take a little bit, so you just need to be patient. And I'll see you once this loading screen is off and when it's done. Alright, and now we have a thing that we are definitely interested in. And it's restore data from another device. That's the thing that we wanted to get. And here, as you can see, I have a list of backups that I made before. And in here we have the backup of our owner. I'm going to select that. Now, choose what you want to restore. You can restore apps, contacts, device settings, and also the call history. And the Google Photos, Gmail, Calendar, and Drive will be synced automatically. So now simply click on restore once you have selected everything that you want. And now we need to wait. Okay, and now, just like in the previous method, I'm going to simply click on accept. In here, I'm gonna enable the backup. Click on next, select your default and browser. In my case, it's gonna be the Google Chrome and Google as my search engine. Now I'm gonna click on agree into the Google Assistant. I'm gonna enable the voice commands. In here I'm gonna click on skip. Now, once more we need to wait. In here, click on next. I'm gonna skip the owner ID. You can always set it later. In here I'm gonna click on skip. I'm gonna set it later in the settings. In here I'm gonna enable all services. I'm gonna click on later. In here also later. As my navigation style, I'm gonna select the 3 keys. Click on later. And in here I'm gonna click on no, because I don't want any data transfer for now. Alright, and now we are ready to use our device. All of the things also will be downloaded from the Play Store in the background, so please don't disconnect from your Wi-Fi. And now also I'm going to show you the last option, how to restore from the external storage drive. I'm sorry. And to do it, let's open up the settings. In here, scroll down, click on System and Updates, and now find Backup and Restore. Click on Data Backup. Now, external storage. Simply now plug in your external storage drive. Okay, plug it in. Okay, now you can see that USB storage is available. Select your backup. We have option to restore it. Simply select your backup. Now wait a little bit because the data is being prepared. Okay, select what you want to restore. Click on restore button. Enter your password that you have set when you were creating a backup. So I'm going to do it right now. Okay. Oh, I misclicked. Okay, then click on OK. And now, as you can see, the restoring process has started. So let's simply wait until it's finished. It shouldn't take much time because on that backup I don't have that many data. Okay, 90%, and within a second it will be finished. Okay, 99%, and restart complete. Click on done. You can now exit the settings, and now everything is done. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.
Hello. In this video I will check if Honor 200 Smart does have screen recording feature. So you have to start by swiping down your screen, and now you have to find a screen record button, which is right here. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. Hello. In this video I will show you how to check if your eSIM is active on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then go to mobile network and now go to SIM management. And as you can see right here, there is my eSIM and it is activated. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. Hello. In this video I will show you how to delete Google Advertising ID on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on Google. Then click on all services, and now you have to go to ads, and then click on delete advertising ID and click delete advertising ID again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe. Hello. In this video I will show you how to display internet speed on status bar on Honor 200 Smart. So we have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on notifications and status bar. Then click on status bar, and here you have show network speed option, and you can tap on that to enable this feature. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe. Hello. In this video I will show you how to reset Google Advertising ID on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on Google. Then click on all services, and now you have to go to ads, and then click on reset advertising ID and click confirm. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe. Hello. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable screen locking sounds on Honor 200 Smart. So we have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on sound and vibration. Now you have to scroll down and click on more settings, and here you have screen lock option, and you can tap on that to enable or disable this feature. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe. Hello. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable vibrations on calls on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to go to sound and vibration, and then you have to scroll down and click on more settings, and here you have vibrate when ring, and you can tap on that to enable or disable this feature. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe. Hello. In this video I will show you how to recover deleted photos from trash on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your Photos application. Then you can go to collections and now go to bin, and here you can select photos that you want to restore and then click restore button. Now click restore again, and as you can see my photos are now restored. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe. Hello. In this video I will show you how to change search engine on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your internet browser, and then you have to click on the three dots icon and now go to settings. Then click on search engine, and here you have to choose another search engine from this list, and then you can go back. And as you can see, my search engine is now changed to Bing. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe. Hello. In this video I will show you how to unpack RAR Archive on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your RAR application, then click dismiss, and now go to the folder that you have your archive stored in and open your archive. Now click on the button with an arrow icon, and here you can change some settings, or you can just use defaults and click OK. And as you can see, my archive is now unpacked. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe. Hello. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable vibrations on touch on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to go to sound and vibration and scroll down, and now click on More Settings. And here you have System Haptics, and you can tap on that to enable or disable this feature. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. Hello! In this video I will show you how to create RAR archive on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your RAR application, then click Dismiss and go to the folder that you have your files stored in and select some files. Then click on the button of plus icon, and here you can change some settings, or you can just use defaults and click OK. And as you can see, my archive is now created. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. Hello! In this video I will show you how to change alarm ringtone on Honor 200 Smart. So we have to start by opening your clock application, then click Allow and click Allow again. Now you have to select your alarm and then click on Sound. And here you can choose another ringtone from this list and then go back. And now click on this check mark to save your settings. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. Hello! In this video I will show you how to manage Google Wallet application on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your Google Wallet app. And here in the main screen you can add credit card to your wallet, or you can click on your avatar. And here you can set up your payment, you can see the payment methods, you can check out password manager, you can see your data stored in the wallet, or you can enter wallet settings. And that's everything that you can do in this application, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.
In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is grey, which means that auto rotation is off. To turn it on, click on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Quick Share on Honor 200 Pro. So you have to start by swiping down on your screen, then do this motion again, and now you have to find Quick Share button, which is right here. Right here, and you can tap on that, and then click on Continue and click Turn On. And here you can choose who you want to share your files with, and then click I agree, and click Done. And now your Quick Share should be enabled. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. Hello! In this video I will show you how to remove eSIM from your device on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then go to mobile network, and now select SIM management. Then select your SIM2 slot and then select your eSIM. And now you have to disable your eSIM and then click on delete. Then click delete again. You have to check this checkbox and click delete. And as you can see, my eSIM is now removed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.
In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can change the display refresh rate. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Display and Brightness right away. Now scroll all the way down to click on Screen Refresh Rate and tap on one of those options to apply a perfect one for you. When you finished, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Display and Brightness right away. Now you need to use this switcher next to Automatic, located under Brightness slider, to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hello! In this video I will show you how to create RAR archive on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in RAR. Now click search and then click install. Now click open and click here to allow this app to manage your files, and now you can go back. Then click allow and click dismiss, and as you can see my app is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.
In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Battery section. Then click on this switcher next to Performance mode. And if it's blue, that means that high performance is now enabled. To disable it, tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon at the top left corner if your toolbar is hidden. Then click on those three dots at the top right one, select Settings, and click on Typing over here to manage all of those options however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it. Then confirm your choice by selecting Remove in this pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Begin by pinching your device's display and selecting Home Screen Settings at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Icon Size. Operate this slider to adjust them and check out Preview at the top. When you're ready, hit Apply to save your changes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Display and Brightness right away. Then scroll down a tiny bit to hit font settings and operate this slider under text size to adjust it. You can check out preview at the top. When you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Then select All Services, scroll again and choose Autofill with Google here. Now tap on this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Apps. Over here. Then tap on Default Apps. Tap on one of those sections you wish to manage, like Browser App, and click on any app you wish to apply. When you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hello! In this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this video I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. Now click on the three dots icon and go to Settings. Then click on Search Engine, and in Recently Visited you should have yep.com option available, so you can select that and then you can go back. And as you can see, my search engine is now changed to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.
In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Now choose All Services and scroll again to tap on Autofill with Google here. Select Google Password Manager. Tap on any password you wish to get rid of and enter your login method. Then choose Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon at the top left corner if your toolbar is not already on. Then tap on those three dots at the top right one. Following that, select Settings. Click on Typing over here and use this switcher next to Autocorrect feature to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it to turn it off or on. If you want to, you can also go into Settings and scroll down to access Location section over here. Then manage it thanks to this switcher next to Use Location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To turn it off, tap on the same shortcut. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Location over here. Then use this switcher at the top to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on About Phone at the bottom. Now choose Device Name section and type in whatever you want to. Like Sunny. When you finished, hit OK. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's begin with the fastest way. We have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings. Let's open them. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's scroll down again to localize the status. And right here we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Now choose All Services. Scroll again to tap on Autofill with Google. And finally, hit Google Password Manager. Now it's time to select the password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and click on this eye icon to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the apps. Let's tap. Then let's tap on apps and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences And here your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by finding an app called Files that's already on your device. When you find it, click on it. Then select Browse at the bottom right corner. Select Phone over here and look for a download folder. Click on it. And as you can see, after that, I can access all of my downloaded files. To open one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Apps. Now select App Twin over here and tap on gray switcher next to any app you wish to clone. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that my app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on the No Blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and tapping on Albums or Photos at the bottom. Either way, when you find all of your pictures to get rid of, hold one of them and use those dots at the top right corners to select multiple right away. To keep some, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down a tiny bit to click on Notifications and Status Bar. Then scroll again to click on Manage All under Notifications and use blue switchers next to your apps to block notifications from them or grey ones to turn them back on. You can also go back, click on any app over here and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and hit all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Folders, tap on the photo you wish to add, and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit System and Updates. Then select Simple Mode and hit Enable. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, Easy Mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, hit Settings again. Scroll down to choose Exit Simple Mode at the bottom in the middle and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way, with the usage of the secret code. We have to open the dialer, so let's tap on it. And now enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device, so let's tap on OK. So that was the fastest way. And now let me show you how to do it using the settings. So let's tap on them. Right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And here we have to localize this IMEI section. And as you can see, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. Then click open. And here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. And now you have to click confirm. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap. And here we have to scroll and find Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll down to the bottom to find More Security and Privacy. And here enter Encryption and Credentials. Now let's tap on Delete All Credentials, so the option at the very bottom, and tap on Delete to confirm. Confirm also with your screen lock. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Honor 200 Smart. So we have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Then select this application and click install. And now I have to click open. and then click Agree and Continue, and close this ad, and then click Allow and click Consent. Now you can click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Then you can close this ad, and as you can see, I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.
In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Files by Google. It has to be from Google Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Hit Continue. Use gray switcher next to allow access to manage all files and go back. Then click on those three lines at the top left corner. Select Clean over here and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Then confirm your choice by choosing Clear in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Now tap on All Services to scroll again and click on Autofill with Google here. Finally, after selecting Google Password Manager, you can tap on any password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Right here we have to scroll down again to localize the option Sleep, so it should be in the screen section. Let's tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest time option which is currently applied, it is 10 minutes, and also the never option, which means that after choosing this option your device will never black out automatically. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use, and it will be immediately applied and visible right here, which means that from now on your device will black out after, in my case, 5 minutes of inactivity. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in dev check, like that. Then download free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from FLAR to Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the Recents. This operation will only close those apps which are running on the background. They will not force stop them or something like that. So in order to enter the Recents, you can use two different ways depending on which mode, or actually which navigation type you've got set. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon. And if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, so something like that. After releasing, here you've got the Recents. So you can close them one by one manually just by swiping them up, something like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, I highly recommend to simply tap on the trash bin icon, and you've just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up. Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the battery. Let's tap. Then right here we've got the battery percentage option, so let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got 3 different options, so probably you've got this hidden, so do not show it at all. And instead we've got also we've got additional options like showing the percentage inside the battery icon or outside the battery icon. So basically tap on the option you'd like to use. We've got it inside, so the percentage is a little bit smaller, and sorry, not here, and outside, where the percentage is next to the battery icon and it is much more visible. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up. Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it. And right now we are in the standard photo mode. It does not really matter because the reset option is in the general part of the settings. I also wanted to draw your attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now let's enter the settings, and they are in the right upper corner, so this gear icon. Then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Defaults. Confirm it with tapping on OK, and as you can see we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully removed all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reboot Honor 200 Smart. Alright, so let's begin. To perform a reboot, all we need to do is to launch the power menu. To do it on this device, we need to simply hold the power button for a few seconds. Let's keep on holding. Okay. And just like that. And now, all you need to do is to tap on restart, tap once more, and now, as you can see, the screen went black, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. Also, I would say that you can perform a simple reboot from time to time, because during that process you simply close the apps that are still running in the background, you free up some RAM, and the phone basically rests, we can say it in that way. And it also might help with the performance of your device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.
Hello. In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, Then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now click install. Then click on open. And click on this button to skip introduction, and then click open permissions. Now select the AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you can go back. Now go back again and click start. And as you can see right here, there is my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Honor 200 Smart. So we have to start by opening your Google Play Store. Then click on continue, click on while using this app, and then click on search bar. Now type in Firefox, then click search, and click install. Now you can click open. And here click on agree and continue. Now you can select the default browser, or you can just click cancel. And here you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Then you can sign in, or you can click not now. Now you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click not now again. And here you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue. And you can select your toggle placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.
Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 200 Smart, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen, which will bring down your toggles, and somewhere here you should find your Do Not Disturb mode. For me, it's right over here. Once you see it first time, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function. I recommend going through this at least once, and once you change the settings to fit your needs, you can just close this, never have to go back there again. And whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, you can just simply tap on the toggle. You get this pop-up the first time around, and if you don't want to see this again, you can check the box right here to don't remind me again, and click on enable. Now, once you're done using it, you will need to remember to turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more, as it will otherwise run indefinitely in the background. And again, as you've seen, you can just click on the toggle and it's going to be automatically turned off. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to allow automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. So let's tap. Then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone and localize build number. Now let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and confirm everything with your screen lock. Here we've got the information, so now we can go back to the general list of the settings and enter system and updates. Then let's enter developer options. And here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. If in your case it is turned off, simply tap on the switcher next to it, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click on biometrics and password. Then hit lock screen password here. Tap on change unlock method and pick one of those login methods. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. Then create it. Repeat it to confirm it, and when you finished, hit done at the bottom right corner. If you want to add a fingerprint, hit add in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions. If you don't, select cancel. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Accessibility features. Then select one-handed mode and use gray switcher to activate it. Now, if you are having tricky navigation, slide your finger across the bottom of the screen. If you are using gestures though, do exactly the same, just after swiping, hold for a second. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, click on black area. If you want to change placement of your tiny screen, just swipe in an opposite direction. Go back the same way. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add at the bottom and tap on a contact you wish to add. After each one, you need to decide if you wish to notify this contact that it became your emergency one by hitting Cancel or OK. Now do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. And in case you wish to delete any of them or edit your list, click on this icon at the top right corner and select this X next to the one you wish to get rid of. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 200 Smart, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using this page on the home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once the content that you wish to capture is visible for you, simply hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You get this little pop-up right here, and you have share and scroll options, and after a moment this will automatically disappear. Once it does disappear, you can find the captured screenshot by going into your gallery application and going into screenshots. Now that is, just to back out, that is in the album folder, which you can see right here. And I believe this is the screenshot. So 239, 240, yep, so this is a screenshot. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.
In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to click on the Privacy section and tap on Permission Manager. Now you need to select any feature you wish to manage and click on one of your apps. Now pick one of those options, allow or don't allow, and go back. If you want to, you can also select any feature and tap on an app you wish to manage instead. Then select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Google. Now select All Services. Scroll to hit Autofill with Google. And finally select Google Password Manager. Now it's time to hit Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Biometrics and Password. Then hit Face Recognition, enter your current login method and hit Get Started at the bottom right corner. Now keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Following that, you need to manage all of those options however you want to and go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can start Face Unlock is working properly. So all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth right away. Then use gray switcher next to Bluetooth at the top right corner and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one you wish to connect to. Click on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable this option, and when you finished, hit pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this gear right next to your device. Hit Unpack at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to change a video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Right now we are in the standard photo mode, so first of all let's switch to the video one. And as you can see on this upper panel, we've got the options which are connected with the resolution, so we do not have to enter the settings themselves. So let's tap on this icon, the second icon from the left, which is connected with the resolution. Here we've got it connected with the ratio. We've got 16:9 ratio or 21:9 ratio, and the resolution is 1080p or 720p. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use. I'll choose, for example, 21:9 ratio with 720p. And if you can see the new option right here, it means that it has been immediately applied, and from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner to add an audio file. Hit Files and tap on Audio at the top. Select one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you find your file, click on it to attach it. To add a video on, select Gallery section instead by clicking on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Hit your video here. Or if you can't find it, select Folders and look for it here. Then tap on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard. Now either click on this icon at the top left corner to uncover your toolbar and click on this microphone in the middle, or hold this one at the bottom left corner. When you're ready, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or use this button. To delete text on the go, click on this button on the right. And to access voice typing options, click on this gear on the left. If you wish to go back to your standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner and tap on Home button to turn this window into a bubble. Now select a second app, launch it, then click on the bubble, and finally to enter split screen view, hold this blue line at the top of your window and drag it all the way up, like that. You can also drag it all the way down. when you see this gray area, let go. As you can see now, I can use both of my apps at the same time. To go back from this mode, you can access background apps again and swipe both of your apps up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on Display and Brightness. Then scroll again, this time to Hide Fonts. And tap on Free or Latest over here. Whatever you decided after picking a perfect font for you, I will go with maybe this one. Choose Download or Buy it and hit Apply. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default font style, go back into Fonts, click on Me section and tap on Default or Android one. Then choose Apply and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Welcome. In front of me I have the Honor 200 Smart, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application. Assuming you can find it. There we go. So it looks like it's in the Tools folder. Once you open it up, we want to click right here on these three dots and select Settings, and in here we're going to choose Import Export and select that you want to import from SIM. This will in turn show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, and you can quickly select all of them by clicking on this box right over here. Maybe you want most of them, you can obviously deselect ones that you don't want, and then select Import. This will give you a window where you can import to, so I have a phone as an option and Google account. Choose whichever one you want, and once you select it, it automatically imports the contacts, and when you go back to your contacts list, you should have them visible somewhere in here. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So you need to do it if you'd like to install some apps from different sources than, for example, Play Store. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll down to find More Security and Privacy, and here let's enter Install apps from external sources. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So for example, let me choose Chrome and tap on the switcher next to Allow App Installs. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app again and tap on the switcher, and after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on More Connections right away. Then select Printing. Tap on Default Print Service or select Add Service and install the best one for your printer. It will appear over here. Either way, tap on the chosen one and make sure this switcher is blue. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect for some reason, you can click on those three dots at the bottom right corner of the Footprint Service section. Hit Add Printer. And then click on Add IP address at the bottom left corner. Input it and tap on Add. You can also choose this option, the Wi-Fi icon, to enable Wi-Fi direct printers. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to use it in full screen view, click on this square at the top left corner. To turn it into a bubble, tap on Home button, then access it by tapping on the bubble, or click on this line, also at the top left corner. If you want to close your app, you can click on this X at the top right one. You can also tap on the same blue line you used to move your window and access all of those options from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. Alright, so let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Now find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it, and tap on Edit in the middle. Let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So just tap on this camera icon, and now you can either take a photo or choose the photo from the gallery. I will take a photo, so our device will immediately open the camera app. Let me just catch a photo. We've got it. So now we can tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner. Now we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, and this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out by pinching the fingers, and after positioning it, just tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner. Tap on the tick icon again, and we've got our photo assigned. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up. Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. Of course, for checking you can use mobile data, but for downloading the update, I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi to avoid some additional charges, because the files of the update are quite large. Alright, so let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates, and then tap on Software Update at the top. So and now your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, you've got this relevant information. However, the second scenario will show you the information that you've got the software to download. Your device will of course show you the info about the new version, so what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and of course apply the update. Of course, you can tap on check for the updates if you're not sure whether your device checked for it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up eSIM on Honor 200 Smart. So we have to start by opening your settings application, then go to mobile network and now go to SIM management. Then click on add eSIM and click on allow. Now click on while using the app and click OK. And click on set up an eSIM and click on while using the app, and you have to scan your QR code then click on setup, and here you have to enter your verification code. And now click finish, and as you can see my eSIM is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe. Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar, and now you have to go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant, and now you have to go to voice match, and then click here to enable Hey Google feature. Now you have to scroll down and click agree, then scroll down and click agree again, and then click next, and now click on retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then you have to scroll down and click next, and then click on back and click on lock screen. Then click yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on, and now you have to go back and then go back again. And now click on Gemini. And then you have to scroll down and click continue, and now scroll down and click use Gemini. And now my Gemini is enabled, so let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant is now enabled. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera. Let's tap on it. And now we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the right, so the first position from the right, we've got the settings, so the gear icon. Let's tap on it. And now all we have to do is to go to this general section, and tap on the timer. In this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the specific option you'd like to apply. I'll choose 10 seconds delay. display. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here. So let's go back and then tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will take a photo. Alright, as you can see, unfortunately, we do not have any kind of icon which will show us that we've got the timer set. We have to open the settings. Of course, you can also turn off this option basically the same way. So enter the settings. Here we have to tap on the timer and tap on off. And after getting back, we can tap on the shutter button, and from now on, your device will take photos right after tapping on it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up. Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the contact list, finding the contact you'd like to block, and then tap on it. I'll choose maybe this one. Then let's tap on this 3 dot icon in the right lower corner and tap on block contact. Here we've got the information, which means that this number has been blocked, and we will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. We can unblock it the same way, right here, remove from blacklist, but let's leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now we have to go back to the contacts. We can be on the phone, it does not really matter. Just tap on the 3 dot icon in the right upper corner and enter blocked. Here we can manage the call block rules and message block rules. It's totally up to you, but I wanted to focus on the settings icon, so let's tap on it. And here we've got our block list. So let's enter. This is the number we blocked from our contact. So as you can see, the previous option works. We can tap on this plus icon and add the additional number manually. We can block prefix, add from contacts, call logs or messages. So let me just tap on it. We can enter it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, it has been blocked successfully. If you'd like to remove the number from the block list, just tap on it and hold it. And now mark those which you'd like to remove and tap on remove. Tap on remove and the block list is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to tap on sounds and vibration. Now you can click vibration here and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also scroll down, tap on phone ringtone here, tap on vibration section for SIM 1 and SIM 2, and apply the best option for you. You can disable vibrations by hitting none, pick one of those vibration patterns, or select standard option. Then go back, click on notification tone and tap on vibration section at the top to do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Go back again, scroll down, hit more settings and tap on those two switches, one next to vibrate when ringing and another one next to system haptics. Thanks to this one, you can enable or disable haptic feedback for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. Now choose Allow and Allow while using in all available pop-ups. Before recording, you can tap on those three dots at the top right corner, hit Recording Quality and tap on the best one for you. To start recording, use this button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. Or click on this icon at the top right corner here to enable or disable vocal enhancements. When you finished, you can use the same button you started to end your recording. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options at the bottom and all of those at the top right corner. You can also go back, hold it here, and operate all of those options, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Right here, let's localize a build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Here we've got the information that you're already a developer, so now we can go back, tap on System and Updates, and here scroll down to find developer options. So right here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can turn the option to don't keep activities, you can force GPU rendering, you can show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall. So to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switcher on it, and now it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, just tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and then tap on this switcher. As you can see, we just automatically got back to the system and updates, and the developer options are not visible, which means that we just successfully turned them off. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon at the top left corner to uncover your toolbar. Then use those three dots at the top right one. Hit Themes over here. And tap on one of those under Gallery or Yours. Then go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, go back to the same settings and this time select Customized option at the top right corner. Then hit Start, choose Add Image, and tap on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Like for example, maybe this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and adjust background darkness by swiping left or right. Then select Done at the top right corner. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and when you're finished, hit Save at the top right corner as well. So when I go back and check my keyboard, I can see that theme of it was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find biometrics and password. Then let's tap on the fingerprint ID. If you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm. If you do not have one, your device will ask you to add it. It is required. So let me draw it, and then we can start with deciding for what we want to use our fingerprint for. So just mark unlock device. Here we've got the instructions, so just tap on add fingerprint. And as you can see, here we've got the animation, so we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button of our device. So just let's do it. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Your device will of course show you the information if this area has been already recorded. So now the address. All right, let's confirm it with OK. And here we've got some options connected with the fingerprint. So how you want to unlock your device, whether you want to feel the vibration. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add new fingerprint, or identify fingerprint. So now let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. Let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up. Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. We need to discuss two different things before we'll start. The first one, you need to have the internet connection. I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, so you can avoid some charges. And the second thing is that you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can do it right after entering the Play Store, or you can simply check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device if you don't want to do it alone. Alright, so after that we can finally enter the Play Store. Okay, let me simply speed up the video. I will just enter the password and we will proceed. Alright. So we've got the Google Play Store, and now we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it. This is basically our own account. Then tap on Manage Apps on Device and enter Manage. So here we've got the list of installed apps. So let's tap on Updates Available, and in my case I've got only 3. Of course, if you want to, you can update all of the apps which will appear on this list, or simply choose specific options. I'll choose maybe TikTok and Netflix. So just mark those options and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can operate Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and uncovering your toolbar by tapping on this icon at the top left corner. Then click on this clipboard icon on the left. Now you can read all of those instructions and even click on this gear at the top right corner to access clipboard settings. You can click on this switcher next to Remember Copied Items to enable or disable this feature, and this one next to Single Column View to do the same. When you're ready adjusting it, you can add a new clip from here by clicking on it. Then typing in whatever you want to and choosing Save. To get rid of it, swipe it to the right. Now, if you wish to use your clipboard, you can also just copy any text and And to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. If you want to paste it later on, but within an hour, click on Clipboard and tap on it here. If you want to use it after an hour, use this pin icon on the right to pin it, and the same no black one if you wish to unpin it. To go back to standard keyboard, click on this icon at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, you need to access Themes app and click on it. Now select Themes at the top of Featured section, Categories, or Top, or if you wish to, tap on the search bar in any of them to type in whatever you want to. Now, after finding a perfect theme for you, you need to click on it, choose Download, and before hitting Apply, hit Customize here and decide if you wish to exclude some options. For example, if you don't want to change your lock screen style, click on this blue icon. Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit Apply here or here and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by going back to Themes app. This time, selecting Me section at the bottom right corner, hitting one of those themes under Preset Themes, and tapping on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here let me go back. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Date and Time. And here we've got some options which we can customize, however, they are not visible. I'm talking about the date and time. We've got only the time zone here. It is because we are using the automatic option. So first of all, we have to turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. And now we can freely tap on date and change the date just by swiping. So firstly, the day, and then month, and then a year. Confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just tap on it and then swipe and confirm it. We can also change the time zone, just tap on it, and here we've got the regions which we can choose. So find yours and then tap on it. So for example, this one. Of course, it will be immediately applied and it will also affect the time you've set manually. Here we've got the option to use dual clocks. You can turn it on and off just by using the switcher. And basically the whole idea of this feature is that your device will display two different clocks. The first one from the place you're currently in, and the second one from another place of your choice. What is more, here we can change the time format, so you can use either the 24-hour time, which is currently applied, or you can turn it off and set 12-hour format, so it's totally up to you. That was the manual customization of date and time. Of course, you can go back to previous settings just by tapping on the switcher to set everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up. Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let's tap. And here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Here we have to scroll down to this section ringtone, and we've got the phone ringtone divided between the first and the second SIM card. So it means that you can set totally different ringtones for both. So let's tap on it. And let me change it for the first SIM card. Of course, this operation is the same for the second one. Right here we've got pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the very bottom of this list we've got this option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the top of the list, right here we've got video ringtones or music on device. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded from the internet, then you will be able to enter music on device, and it should appear right there, and you will be able to set it as a ringtone. To listen how the specific ringtone sounds, for example from those pre-installed ones, simply tap on it, and then your device will play it, so you will be able to check whether you like it. It will also use the vibrations to show you how it will sound like. So let's pretend I want the sunshine to be set as my ringtone. So just make sure that it is marked and then go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up. Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So we will begin with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Here let's scroll down and localize this eye comfort, which is the night light in this device. So let's enter it, and wait, it's scheduled. Let me tap on enable all day, and now you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. You can change the intensity of that feature just by using this switcher. By going to the left you can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. Of course, it's up to you how you want to use it. You can also schedule it. So just tap on this switcher at the top, and here you can freely choose the start and the end time. Confirm it with OK. And your device will basically turn on the eye comfort when you will be between the start and the end time. It will do it automatically. So this is the manual customization of the eye comfort, and if you want to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll fully this section and try to find eye comfort. It is right here. If for some reason you cannot find it, no worries, just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, and then you will be able to find it somewhere here. Tap on it, hold it, and then drag it to this first section to apply it, and then it should appear right here. I've got the eye comfort right now, right here, sorry, so let's simply tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up. Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Then let's tap on language and input, and tap on language and region at the top. So here we've got the list of all applied languages, let's say. We've got English and Spanish. So let's start with adding new language. Add language, tap on it. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find your language and then tap on it. I'll pick maybe Greek. Just tap on it. Hello. All right. So right now your device will ask you whether you really want to change the system language to Greek one. Of course, Greek in my case. So let's tap on change to confirm. And from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here, you can tap on another language to quickly change it. So for example, English in my case. Just tap on it, it will be immediately marked and it will also immediately appear at the top of the list. Moreover, you can change the languages just by tapping on it and hold it, and then you can drag it to the very first position. This is basically the operation with the same results as the previous one, but a different technique. Let me set English again. And now you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on delete. Hello. All right. And now you can mark the languages which you'd like to remove. Then tap on this trash bin icon. Confirm it with OK. And we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up. Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the settings. Here we have to find this option, home screen and style. Let's tap on it. And here in this left section, we've got the toggle which is connected with the lock screen style and the wallpaper. So let's simply tap on it. And now we can change the home screen. So we can either select a wallpaper from the pre-installed options. Let's tap on this option here. As you can see, you've got the gallery, so you can choose your own photo and set it as a wallpaper, or you can choose something from the official options which are pre-installed on the device. Moreover, you can tap on more, and if you've got the internet connection and if you've got the account, if you will log in, you will be able to find something in the online wallpapers and download them. You can simply tap on this free section, and those options which appear right here are free of charge. What is more, instead of setting the photo or any kind of image, you can change the color. So just tap on the color, and if you prefer to have just a solid color as your home screen, you can choose it right here. You can also find some gradient options. So just choose the one you like the most. I will still select a wallpaper. So let me choose maybe this one. Just tap on the wallpaper, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the preview. I'd like to also set the same wallpaper to the home screen. So let me swipe to the left. Here we've got the home screen, the lock screen. So just tap on this option here. And again, here we've got some magic lock screens, etc. But I prefer to set the static wallpaper. So let me just tap on it. And as you can see, we've got both options applied. So to confirm everything, we have to tap on apply in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it. Your device will set it. So just a second. And now we can go back to the home screen, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up. Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case, it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, and this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner, and here we can either tap delete browsing data, or if you do not have one, enter the history. So I'll explain both options. Let's start with the history. Let's tap on it, and here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So if you'd like to remove only visited websites, the list, simply you can do it manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it, which is quite a good option if you want to remove like 1 or 2 websites. If you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on delete browsing data, and here we've got basic options. So the browsing history, for example, tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. Those options are advanced. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time, and then tap on delete data. So this is how it works using the first option. And the second one is to tap on the 3 dots icon again and tap on delete browsing data. So here we've got automatically those basic options like visited websites, tab, cookies, cache, and other site data. Again, we can change the time range here and then tap on delete data. If you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on more options, and here we've got those options from the previous way of removing the data. So again, mark everything, change the time range if you want to, of course, and then tap on delete data. And we just got back. We usually go back to the home page, which means that we just successfully removed the history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restart Honor 200 Smart. Alright, so to restart this device we have 2 options available, and I'm going to show you both of them. So the first and the recommended method when the phone is responsive, just as you can see in my case, it works normally. So the recommended method is the reboot from the power menu. To launch the power menu on this device, we need to hold the power button for around 3 seconds, 4 seconds, something like that. Keep on holding. Actually, it's because of the Gemini. Okay, you can see that the power menu launched. Now all you need to do is to tap on restart, then your screen will go black, and within a few seconds the phone will be turned on back automatically. And the second method, just like I have said, is the force restart, and this method is recommended, for example, when the phone is frozen, unresponsive, or when it's lagging so much. So to perform the force restart, we need to hold the power button and the volume down button until the screen goes black. So let me quickly do it. Let's keep on holding. Don't worry that you have taken the screenshot. Sometimes it happens. Simply hold both of the buttons. Okay. When the phone vibrates, you can release your fingers. You can now see that the Honor logo appeared, and just like in the previous method, now all you need to do is to simply wait until your phone will be turned on automatically. Also, I will tell you that performing the simple reboot or the force restart is good for the health of your device, because during that process you simply delete the background processes that are still running. You free up the RAM, and also basically the phone rests when it's rebooting. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.
In front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Then let's go to system navigation, so the second option. And here let's pretend I've got the 3 key navigation set. So before we will set the gestures, I just wanted to draw attention to those options, because we can enter the settings and we can reorder the back button and the recents. So it's totally up to you, and we can of course tap on more, and here we've got the navigation dock. Alright, so in order to set the gesture, simply tap on this option at the top, and instead of the 3 buttons, we will have the line or a clean screen, which is responsible for some gestures. If you'd like to, you can go through the tutorial, but I don't want to do it. What is more, I'll show you how to use the gestures in a second. So as you can see, we do not have a line, but that's okay. We can enter the settings here, and here we can show navigation bar, so it's totally up to you whether you want to use this line or not. You can also customize the options, so you can slide across bottom to switch apps and manage Google Assistant, and again try out gestures. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. You have to do it quickly, because if you will elongate this gesture, you will open the sidebar. That's not what we wanted to do. So just swipe your finger and release it. And as you can see, we just got back. And the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, so elongate it, something like that. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
Welcome. Follow me as an Honor 200 Smart, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold your power button and ignore Gemini if it shows up. Select power off. There we go. And when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. When you see the logo, let go of the power button, keep holding volume up. And there we go, there is our recovery mode. Now in here we only have technically one option, which is, actually no, we have more than one. We have clear data, which consists of wipe cache partition and factory reset, have update mode, and we can also access safe mode through here. This is the only way you can actually put the device into safe mode. And restart just leaves this mode and brings us back to Android. So I'm gonna click on that and wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.
In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now use this plus at the bottom in the middle to create a new one. First of all, set up an hour at the top. Then hit repeat and pick days of the week. To save them, choose OK. Following that, hit Sound, choose Vibration at the top and tap on None to disable it, Standard, or hit one of those buttons. Go back, choose Music on device, and pick any song from your smartphone as your new alarm sound by hitting the best one and going back. You can also select one of those sounds. Whatever you decided when you finished, go back and choose label to name your alarm however you wish to. Then OK to save its name. Now hit ring duration to decide how many minutes your alarm will ring if you don't react. Hit snooze duration to decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many minutes it will repeat by operating those two sliders, and hit OK. Now to save your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To turn it off or on, use the switcher next to it and pick the best option for you from the pop-up. To edit it, click on it, make some changes and click on the same check mark. To get rid of it though, click on it again and this time choose the delete option at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the accounts. Then let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and tap on Next. Right here, we have to enter the password. So let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and then tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and search info, so just tap on Accept. Alright, so it takes quite long. Okay, so for some reason it was quite long, but eventually it happened. So here we've got our account section and we can tap on Google. So here we've got our Google account added. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just enter the account and tap on Remove. Then tap on Remove, confirm it with OK, and confirm it also with your screen lock. And as you can see, we just successfully removed the Google account. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
Welcome, in front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot your device lock screen password and can't log in. In such scenario, the best solution for you would be to take your time and try to remember the password you used the last time. This might be the most difficult solution for you, but it will also save you a lot of time and a lot of work in the future in case you can't remember your password. You can also try and check if your device have face unlock or fingerprint unlock features enabled. so that you can access it a different way. But if you can't, then the second best solution for you would be to contact Honor customer service. And if you can prove the ownership of the device to them, then they will most likely help you recover the access to your phone without losing any data. And if both options are unavailable for you, then the third solution, which is slightly worse, is to perform a factory reset on your phone and to erase all data from your device and to recover the access to it this way. You can do it remotely if you have Find My Device feature enabled on your phone, either on Honor ID account or Google account. This way you will be able to erase all data from your phone remotely using your one of these accounts on any other device. And if you can't do this, then perhaps you'd like to know how to perform a factory reset through the recovery mode, which you can do locally. If you want to know that, you can check the video on our channel. So if you'd like to go ahead and watch it. And these are all the solutions that you have for now. I really hope that this video helps you solve your problem, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.
Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's enter Backup and Restore option and tap on Backup to Google. I mean, maybe not tap on it, but check if it is on. If it is not, then tap on it and turn it on, and then tap on Backup Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And then tap on Next. So right here, we have to enter the password. So let me do this out of the screen. All right, and tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can simply tap on them to learn more and then tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. Here we can decide what kind of apps we would like to restore, so you can restore them. I'd like to simply skip it. And here we've got the information about the backup, so we are able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. You can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And here we've got our account added, so everything went fine, as you can see. We can tap on it again, but this is how it works basically. We've got our Google account added to this backup section, and from now on our device will automatically back up our data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor 200 Smart to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. And when you're ready, hit send at the bottom left corner of Honor. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Honor, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose allow a few more times and then access your files. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Then hit got it in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To input this key, hit input key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And then hit receive button. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. Whatever you decided, just wait. Close and add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from a Google Pixel device to Honor 200 Smart. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then hit whatever you want to in all the other ones. And when you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of Honor. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to choose allow a few more times and then access your files. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, click on input key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit receive button. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad, allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Honor 200 Smart. Alright, so let's begin. So we have two methods how we can reset this device, and I'm going to show you both of them. So the first method is simply through the settings, and this method is recommended when you have access to the phone and when the phone is responsive. So simply open up the settings, scroll down, click on System and Updates, and now find the reset. And in here we have options to restore settings, reset networks, network settings, and reset phone. Of course, we are definitely interested in that last option. Also remember that all of the data will be erased permanently from your phone. So if you don't have a backup and if you want to restore your data in the future, you can create a backup. If you don't know how to create it, on our channel there is a video where I'm showing you the whole process. So if you want, you can look for it. Now all you need to do is to tap on Reset Phone, then follow the instruction on the screen. If you do everything properly, your device will be turned off, then turn on again automatically, and the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your phone. But we have also the second method, which is recommended when we don't have access to the phone, or for example when it's unresponsive, and it's through the recovery mode. So first let's power up the device. Let's hold the power button. Okay, and now we can click on power off. And now to get access into the recovery mode, we need to hold power button and the volume up button at the same time. So let's keep on holding. Okay, when the Honor logo appears, we can release the power button, but let's keep on holding volume up. Okay, and now as you can see, we are in the recovery mode. So now we want to select clear data, confirm by using the power button. We use volume keys to navigate through here, but you can also use your finger instead if you want. And now we need to type using our keyboard the word yes. Click on factory reset, and now the process has started, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, 100%, and now select back, select restart, confirm, and within a few seconds your phone will be automatically turned on back again. And next thing you need to do now is to set up your device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen like here. And now all we have to do is to enter the settings. So let's tap on this three dots icon and enter either the settings or languages. You can tap on language settings, or I think that the better option is to, let me tap on the three dots icon again and enter the settings. So you will have a view of what to do if you do not have, for example, this language option. So let's enter the settings and then tap on languages. So here we've got the list, which is divided into 2 different sections. So we've got your languages, so those which are currently applied, and under it we've got pre-installed languages, which we can apply. So basically which are not applied right now. So all you have to do is to find your language in this list and then tap on it. I will pick Turkish, or maybe not Turkish. I'd like to show you maybe Georgian. I just wanted to show you more graphical language, so you will be able to see the difference. So here we've got the layouts, which we can choose. So we can use the Georgian one or the this regular, let's say, style. So just mark the option. Now we can go back. Let me go back to the top of the list. So here you can check that we just successfully added the Turkish language. Let me also go back to the keyboard, because I'd like to show you how to change the language if you've got a lot of them. Here we've got the spacebar with those arrows, which means that we can change the language thanks to swiping on the spacebar. So right now we've got the Greek option, maybe not like that. Right now we've got, I believe, this Georgian one. Here we've got English, Spanish, and Turkish, I believe. So this is how it works. If you'd like to remove the language, enter the 3 dots icon here. Again, go to the settings, tap on the languages, and here simply turn off those which you don't want to use. I will leave only English. So just let me turn off all of those options, and as you can see, you can leave them right here, so you'll have faster access to them if you'd like to turn them on in 1.1 moment, or you can simply remove them from this your languages list just by tapping on it and holding it and tapping on delete. So it's totally up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on the Honor 200 Smart. Alright, so we need to open up our settings. Now scroll down into the bottom and click on System and Updates. Now find Backup and Restore, and here let's begin with the simple backup. And now let's click the external storage. Now you need to plug in the memory card or the USB storage. I have that kind of device. It's basically the USB storage with the memory card right in here. So I'm going to plug it in to show you how this works. Simply plug it into your device. Now let's wait a little bit. You can see that the USB storage now appeared. And now simply click on Backup. Now select all the items that you want to backup. Click on Backup, and now as you can see the backup has started. Always check what you have selected to backup. Yeah, so simply check what you want to backup twice. Make sure that you have selected everything that you want. Now click on Done, and now our backup is stored on this external storage drive. Okay, so now we can unplug it, and now I'm going to show you how to create a backup using the Google one. Alright, make sure that a backup to Google is enabled right in here, and you have below your backup account, and please don't forget that account and password to it, because in the future if you want to restore that backup, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account on which you are making the backup. So remember about it. Okay, so now click on Google account. You can also see the account on which you are making the backup right now on the screen. Enable backup by Google one right in here, and now click on Backup now. Now the process will start. And now under the backup you can see that this thin bar appeared, and when it comes to the opposite edge it will mean that our backup has been successfully made. So now all we need to do is to wait until it's finished. So I'll see you once it's done. Okay, and now it's done. You might see on the bottom of the screen that our data has been backupped, but basically when this bar disappears, it means that our backup is successfully saved. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.
Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Honor 200 Smart. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app Code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and Allow all in the second one. Following that, choose whatever you want to in all the other ones. And when you're ready, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of Honor. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access your files. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and then to connect, tap on the Receive button. If you want to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide, close an ad, allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the Honor 200 Smart. Alright, so let's begin. So I just downloaded the WhatsApp to show you how to do it. So simply open your app. In here select your language, then click on next. And also in the beginning of the video I'll tell you that to restore your WhatsApp backup you need to be logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup earlier. You need to be logged in the settings. So let me show you how to check it. Open up the settings. Just to make sure, scroll down, click on Google and log into the account on which you made the backup. In my case, I did a backup earlier on this account, and I need to be logged into that account right now. Alright, so once it's clear, let's get back to the WhatsApp. In here, click on agree and continue. Also, if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, on our channel there is a video where I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want, you can look for it. Alright, in here, click on allow, and now simply type your phone number. So that's what I'm going to do now. Simply type your phone number, then click on next. This big green button right in here. And now select your verification method. In my case, it's gonna be the fake call. Okay, now not the fake call, actually, the automatic call, more like. Alright, now we have this contacts in media. In here, click on continue. And click on allow, allow, allow. And now, as you can see, we have option to restore our chats. So that's the thing we wanted to achieve. You can see when the last backup was made. You can see that it was yesterday in my case. The size of the backup and the account on which we made the backup. And now you can see that this account is the same as the one I'm currently logged in the settings. Also, if you don't restore your chats now, there's a possibility that you won't be able to do it later. You can always read it. You can read about it right in here. Alright, and now simply click on restore. In my case, it doesn't take much time because I don't have many messages. Alright, it's done. Okay, 17 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Now click on next. In here, under the profile info, simply type your name. And if you want, you can also change your profile photo by clicking on that green plus button. Then click on next. Okay, and now as you take a look, all of the messages, including the photos and the videos, has been successfully restored into our WhatsApp. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. After tapping on it, we will be transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, it is 1 hour and 15 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. Here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count, and basically you can use two different options to check some further details. Firstly, you can tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. After tapping on the specific day, you will have the list of apps which you've been using with the time you've spent on them. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened. And if you will decide that you are spending too much time on the specific app, you can set the limit for it. So for example, for the gallery in my case, just tap on this hourglass icon, and now you can set the limit. So for example, for 2 hours, and your device will limit the usage of the app. Let's go back, and the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, if you see that you're spending too much time on the settings, you can check the time. So let's simply tap on this app, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Let's go back, and I also wanted to draw attention to ways to disconnect. So to this section where you can set some kind of limits and modes which will allow you to focus. So for example, the focus mode. Here we can set the schedule. First of all, we have to select distracting apps. So for example, if you're receiving a lot of notifications from a specific app, you can find it here and then mark it. So let's pretend I have the notifications from Chrome, from AliExpress, and maybe Drive. So just mark specific apps, it could be social media or whatever is distracting in your case, and then tap on set a schedule. Now you can choose specific days of the week. So for example, Monday to Friday or only Friday. It's totally up to you, and you can freely choose the start and the end time. And your device, after tapping on set, will of course set a schedule, apply the focus mode, and during that time, during the schedule, it will simply turn off and hide the notifications from distracting apps. So you will be able to focus on different activities, like for example work, or whilst going to sleep you won't be disturbed, or you will be able to focus at school. It's totally up to you how you want to use it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 200 Smart, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, before I get started, I am going to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. And I'll be progressing with this as though I don't know the pattern that I have set right here. So first things first, we're going to hold power button and ignore Gemini if it shows up. From there, select power off. And when the device turns off, you're going to hold power button and volume up at the same time. In a moment, you will see the Honor logo on a screen, at which point you want to let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. When it disappears like this, you can also let go of the volume up. And now we have our recovery mode visible. So in here we're going to select clear data by just simply tapping on it and then factory reset. This will tell you that you need to confirm this process by just typing in simply yes, as it's specified right here. So YES, and then select factory reset. This will go through a reset. This only takes a couple seconds almost. I think it gets to like 20% or so and becomes automatically finished. So just wait for that to happen. Yep, there we go. So once it's finished, we're going to click on back, restart, and this will now reboot the device, continue resetting in the background, which will take the device about like 2 minutes or so to finish up. And once it's finished, we'll be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 200 Smart, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application. In here, scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select Reset, Reset Phone, and this will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and basically all user data somewhere listed in here. So if you have anything of that sort that you'd like to preserve, make a copy of it before you go any further. I don't have anything here, so I'm just going to select Reset Phone. You do have the option to back up your phone right here on this page, though this will be done to the Honor cloud, and it means that you're going to be only limited to this data being restored onto another Honor device, which is basically kind of like string holding your data by forcing you to use an Honor device. I don't recommend doing this. It's just basically BS. You're basically uploading your own personal data to someone else's computer that has access to this. They don't, apparently, that they're probably going to use to train their AI models, and then they also give you an ultimatum that you're either going to use our device or this data is inaccessible to you. Doesn't really sound like an enticing offer to me. So I highly recommend backing up your phone to something like your computer as an example, and using this only if you don't have anything else as an option to back it up to. Now, I'm not going to be backing up my device at all, so I'm just going to select Reset Phone right here, and this will now begin a factory resetting the device. This process will take about 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, I'll be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once it is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.